Welcome to one of Europe's most advanced banana blossom processing facilities, where nature meets precision engineering. Each banana blossom is hand-selected at peak maturity. Only the finest make it to processing.
A specialized field conveyor system transports delicate blossoms directly from harvest point to collection area.
Within minutes of harvest, refrigerated trucks begin their journey to the processing facility.
This state-of-the-art facility processes over 100,000 pounds of banana blossoms every single day.
Whew, good batch today.
Time is critical. Every minute counts to preserve freshness and nutritional value.
Each blossom enters a choreographed sequence of precision processing steps. Specialized soft bristle systems remove field debris without damaging delicate petals.
This one's perfect.
Only the tender inner layers are processed. Outer petals are composted and returned to the fields.
Purified water, filtered through multiple stages, ensures absolute cleanliness.
Computer vision systems grade every petal by size, color, and quality in milliseconds.
Instant cooling locks in color, texture, and nutritional integrity. Patience is essential. Flavors need time to develop and penetrate completely. Excess oil is immediately drained and filtered for reuse. Nothing goes to waste.
All clear.
Multiple safety checkpoints ensure zero foreign objects reach packaging.
Film loaded, ready to run.
Each package contains exactly the amount promised. No variation, every time.
Every single seal is tested. Compromised packages never leave this facility.
Recycled cardboard boxes are formed, filled, and sealed at a rate of 120 per minute.
Every case is weighed. Discrepancies trigger immediate investigation and correction.
Pallet complete.
System ready for next street.
Each pallet holds exactly 1,200 pounds of finished product, ready for global distribution.